light turns on for Diedrich. And attention to the pits, attention to the pits, pro buybacks and pro buybacks only. Come on down to lanes 1 and 2, please. Pro buybacks and buybacks only. Come on down to lanes 1 and 2, please. Pro buybacks and buybacks only. Lanes 1 and 2. Here comes Misty Evelyn and Kid Kyle. Kyle, 4 doors. Evelyn, the S10 pickup truck. Evelyn, 12:55 to now. Kyle, 12:36. Wind light turns on for Evelyn. 13 total for Evelyn. Kid Kyle, 14, dead 6 to be 20 total. 14 and 36 above, I'm sorry. He was behind by 37. Once again, we need pro buybacks and buybacks only in the lanes 1 and 2.